Alright. Because I do have a faster car anyway. So.
I saw you just spin out. What the fuck? Cooper, I'm driving behind you. I just saw this like pole like fall on top of me.
Why the fuck am I stealing money out of a fucking laundry machine?
I don't know.
Let's consider this forfeiture.
What the fuck? This asshole is going for a whooping!
Yeah!
Operation Bitches! Ma!
Oh wait, back up, wait, go back.
Top with up-to-date info on the cartel's operations and a new hacking device after our friend the tech genius with the terabyte deactivated.
What the fuck is going on?
Who the fuck is this?
Where the fuck is your car
Where's
at?
my car?
Vehicles.
Wait a minute,
Did you
what
not
the
get
fuck?
it?
What happened to my car? Yeah, I'm gonna get in your car. I don't know what the fuck it was.
Need me to bring you a ride? It's coming at you.
Okay.
Okay, you remember how this works. Your choice as to who you want to steal a getaway car from. Godspeed. Getaway car secured. Well done. Keep your head down on your way out.
What? Ooh. Slide bitch.
Close your fucking door. Your fucking door won't close. What the fuck are you doing?
I'm coming. That's a car? Come on, we need to go.
Let's go, that's it.
Alright,
Get
that's
in.
it. What the fuck is my character? What the fuck?
Give any
What the fuck? No!
Oh shit. Hey you.
Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Hey. Wait, you can get a yacht in this game? How'd you get a yacht?
It's $6 million, but if like to fully customize it out, it's 10 million. I'm fucking taking this thing away.
Go!
Oh yeah. Run me over.
I want to figure out how to mod this. What is it, left click or is it E? How the fuck do I mod my vehicle?
The real question is, how do you mod your vehicle without Eduardo blowing it up?
Bro.
Do you see what?
I see you. I need my money. I just ran out of that and see my fucking truck come out of nowhere. Oh shit. Oh shit!
I think the truck is stuck. Those cops are looking for me.
Come back here, I need my Deluxo.
Here you go.
What the fuck? Bro!
Run him over. Squish him.
Are you fucking driving this?
No.
Then why the fuck can I hear you drive it?
Nobody's driving this, Cooper.
I get out and you drive it into a fucking lake.
No, you do not want to get out. Your mobile operations center is in the middle of the lake. Hey, is that Cooper?
Meh! Fucking car's awesome. Oh shit, I'm going in the water.
Back.
Buddy!
Ugh!
Hey, that's not
Ugh!